How to sell ebooks or digital products on Squarespace. Hey everyone, welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, I will show you step by step how we can achieve this, add our products or ebooks, whatever it may be. It just should be a digital download. So it could be images, it could be videos, ebooks, whatever it is. How to add them and also how to list them on your site itself so people can actually go ahead and click on a button and end up buying it. So all of this I'm going to show you step by step, so let's just go ahead and get started. First, you will need to load up your site, your Squarespace website, and then from within your Squarespace website, adding your product is going to be a very simple process. All you need to do is just go to the main dashboard here on the left panel. Usually you're going to start up with the website panel, but you want to go ahead and click on products and services. So just go ahead and click on products and services. In here, you're going to find the products listing, so all of the products that you already added from here. And then you're also going to find the orders, discounts, and selling tools as well that could be useful in the future. But for the time being, you just want to click on products and services, or you could go for products. It doesn't really make a difference. And then from here, you're going to select basically what type of service or product that you want to add. Now, in this page, you're going to be able to add both products and services as the name entails. Regardless, we're just going to go ahead and click on create from the top right corner. And then you're going to find physical products that you can add, services and more things, but we are just going to go ahead and go to the download option. And with the download option, you can actually read a digital file customers can download, like an ebook, PDF template, or audio file, or image, or anything really. So just go ahead and click on download and select this right here. This is going to allow you to set up your product in detail. So let's just go ahead and wait for this to load. Okay, so once this loads in, you're going to add some details about your product. First, we are just going to start with the product name. So just go ahead and give it a proper name for your product. So I'm just going to do test product for the time being because I don't really have anything to sell. I'm just showing you how to actually apply this. Next up, you have a description, which is very important when you're actually selling items online because you want it to be as transparent as possible with the buyer. You want to let them know exactly what they're actually going to be getting once they actually purchase the product. So make sure you add your description in here and in full detail. Just go ahead and add whatever you think is best when it comes to your description and make sure it actually attracts people to buy your item. So this is going to be a very helpful tool, and you have the ability to fully customize your text. When it comes to formatting, you can actually make it bold, italics, underline, and there's plenty more that you can play around with, even the sizes of the heading or paragraph and so on. Next up, you have this option which is called additional info. Here you can actually go ahead and add more information to this specific product on the actual product page. This could be text, this could be videos, this could be media. I will show you. Just go ahead and click on this if you want to add additional information, and you're going to have the ability to fully customize this to your liking. So for example, if you want to add additional text, you can feel free to do so simply by just adding the text here. If you want to add something else, you can just click on the plus icon either on the bottom or top of this text. It depends on where you actually want it to be placed. And you can feel free to add text, buttons, videos, gallery, whatever it may be. So whatever you can actually add in Squarespace as a block, you can feel free to add in here because this is going to show up on the product page. So just select whatever you want to add and just click on add image, for example, and do that. But I just need to note that you do also have the ability to add images to your product, which is going to be the next thing. Here you can actually find we have images. So basically just click on add images, upload file, and then from here you're just going to be able to upload any file as an image. This is not the actual product itself. Let me just note this. You could say this is a preview image of the product. So if it's an ebook, maybe you can just add the cover of the book or something. So just make it however you like it to be. But this is just a preview image pretty much. And you can add multiple if you want, and then select the featured image or the main one. Next, we want to scroll down to the inventory option, and in here, this is going to be the actual file itself, which is the ebook, PDF, whatever it may be. So you're just going to go ahead and click on upload file and select exactly what you want to use as the product that you actually want to sell. So I'm just going to sell this sample PDF, for example, because I have nothing else right now. And then once it's done fully, we can just go ahead and customize it further. You can actually see customers receive a secure link to the file lasting 24 hours after the first download. So this is going to be how it works. And then you are going to basically set up the price for it. So it could be whatever price you want. So I'm just going to do 20, for example. And then you can also feel free to turn on the on sale option if you want to make it on sale. And this is going to be the sale price. So this is before on the top and after here at the bottom if you want to, but I'm just going to turn this off for the time being. Next up, we have some more things that are going to help us organize our products further. We have categories, so if you want to create categories and have these products in them, feel free to do so. And also we have tags, which is also going to be something helpful for you as the the person on the back end of things. So if you want to use these, feel free to do so. They are actually pretty powerful tools if you know how to use them properly. So make sure you capitalize on them. We have the selling tools, which are also going to be helpful a little bit here. We can actually add a part of add-ons if you want. So you can actually go ahead and add add-ons to the products. You could say an extra. So it could be some, let me just give you an example. For example, you want, let's say food. Okay, so you want a burger, but then you just ordered a burger for some reason, and then you want the add-on to be some fries. So this is pretty much how it works. People can either choose to buy it or not. It's going to be an optional thing. I'm not sure what that example was, but yeah, anyways. So you have this option if you want to. You can also make it a future product, which is going to have it displayed in summary blocks on your page. And you also can set up related products and product reviews. If you want to set up the product reviews, you are going to manage this feature in the selling options. So make sure you do that, but after you save everything on here. Then you also have some more things here, like the SEO part of things, which is very important. Make sure you actually edit this every single time. And you want to change the URL to the name of the actual product. So this is going to make it a lot easier for people to access, and also the SEO title and the SEO description. Make sure you set them up correctly. And then we can also set up more things like custom forms for the checkout and custom button if you want the button to say something else instead of add to cart. You can feel free to just add anything else like, hey, purchase this. I'm not sure. And I'm just going to keep this on and click on apply just so we can actually view it later on. Okay, and we are just going to click on save and then publish once you're happy with it. Okay, so now that you added your product, what you need to do, or how to actually find it and manage it, is going to be within the products section. And then you're going to find this to be empty. You may panic a little bit, but then you go to downloads here at the top, and you should be able to find it right away. And then you can just set up the visibility to be public if you want, and now it is published on your site. However, for the time being, we don't really have anything yet on our site that allows the people to click on our product and be able to purchase it. So we just wanted to click on edit on our site and add that real quick. Now you could get to choose which page you want to do it on. It doesn't really make a difference, but just go ahead and first pick a page from the pages section and click on edit. Once you actually select a page, you basically just want to create a new section, or just use a pre-built section. It doesn't really make a difference. I'm just going to add a blank section. And then from here, you can feel free to change the colors for it and everything. But I'm just going to, actually, let me just make it a little bit more suitable by just clicking on edit section. And it's not allowing me to, so I'm just going to skip this step. I'm just going to add block. And then once you click on add block, you basically just want to scroll down until you find business. And within business, you're going to find the product option here, or digital product, but we can just do product for the time being. It doesn't really make a difference that much. And then I'm just going to centralize it here. And then you basically just click on edit, and then you basically search for the name of the product that you want to add. So in this case, it's called test. and it should pop up here, test product. Click on it and it should pop up like this. But you see that the design is a little bit off, so we can actually change it within the design aspect. We can first centralize it. We can feel free to add the add to cart button, which we fully customize here, as you can see. And we can also set up the price, whether we want it to be on or off. We can set up the image, whether we want it to be on and off. Description, if you want to add that. All of these things are available to you if you want to use them, and you can fully resize it to your liking. So obviously you can feel free to customize it exactly how you want it to look like. Right now I'm just, a lazy person, so I'm just going to leave it as it is right now. And this is pretty much how to sell your ebooks or digital products on Squarespace step by step. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and thanks for watching.